Are you tired of shelling out big bucks for replacement key fobs for your Dodge Ram? Look no further. Introducing the Vailikey key fob replacement, compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 from 2013 to 2021, including 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models from 2013 to 2018. This pack of 2 key fobs comes fully equipped with batteries and electronics, pre-tested to ensure top-notch quality and performance. But what about programming, you ask? Sure, it might seem a bit complicated at first glance, but fear not. With the included programming instructions and a quick search for tutorials online, you'll be programming your new key fobs like a pro in no time. And if DIY programming isn't your thing, don't sweat it. Leave it to the professionals at your local locksmith or dealership to handle it for you. One of the standout features of this key fob replacement is its compatibility with various part numbers, including 560469555AG, 560469555A, 560469555AB, and more. However, please note that it's designed for vehicles with a normal key ignition system and does not support push-button start. And let's talk value. Why pay full retail price when you can get the same quality replacement at a fraction of the cost? That's right, save your hard-earned cash without compromising on quality or reliability. Plus, it makes for the perfect gift for the car enthusiast in your life. Whether it's for Father's Day, Christmas, or just because. So why wait? Upgrade your Dodge Ram's key fob game with the Vailikey key fob replacement today. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you unlock convenience and peace of mind on the road. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.